Hello everyone.
Hayi politics yadida. Hey. Ukhumalo iMK uyibuka ku TV njengathi namhlanje. Bamphuce nje isikhundla sokuba ice boy. Engayithathi kancane. Ungayizeli ngobuso bazovela bakuntsarele bakhiphe intweni. Sibekwa nje.
The former leader of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, Jabulani Khumalo, is under fire after the party expelled him. He was accused of allegedly taking money from senior members of the ANC just to destabilize the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. The MK party had a successful rally at Orlando Stadium and the stadium was packed. Ever since Khumalo was expelled, he's been a headache to MK party. He's been trying to remove Jacob Zuma from the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, and he went as far as writing to the IEC wanting Jacob Zuma to be removed from the parliamentary list. After the successful MK rally yesterday, people called out Khumalo on social media and said it's a shame Khumalo registered the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, but because he chose money over people, he couldn't be part of the historical moment at Orlando Stadium. They reacted on the social media platforms after seeing the successful event of Umkhonto weSizwe Party, and one said, Jabulani Khumalo and Ngizwe Mchunu decided to be Judas Iscariot of President Jacob Zuma. If you sell your brother, even the buyer won't trust you. MK party is unsellable, unstoppable, obviously uninfiltrated. Another one said, dumb and greedy was a person. Watched on TV yesterday, President Zuma addressed the mandate, Umthengisi womzabalazo, Khumalo Ngizwe. Another one said, being Khumalo isn't something that we are proud of these days. We need a hero from our clan ASAP, Usihlazile Lobabo. Another one said, we don't know this person, asiyikhathazi ngaye. Another one said, MK, familiarize yourself accepting Jabulani Khumalo as your president, just maybe. Another one said, and he must choke on it at the same time. What was he thinking? What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.